All right, hey everybody. So I know some of you were wanting to know how to make the lip balm. So I'm gonna just hang out for a second and see what jumps on, and then I will dive in and tell you all about it. Super easy. I've been like DIYing stuff all afternoon, it seems like, but really didn't take that much time, and I have a whole bunch of lip balm and deodorant. So we're stocked up for a while. All right. So just let me know when you guys hop on, give me a hey, because I don't know what it'll tell me. Sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. So, all right, these little lip balms right here. Oh, somebody's there. Hey, Ashley. All right, so it's super easy. I order these little clear, they come in white, they come in other colors, lip balm containers on Amazon for like a little bit of nothing. And usually there's enough caps to go with the bottoms. Sometimes there's not, but usually there are. So super easy to make. You need these, and you need some beeswax and some coconut oil and either cocoa or shea butter, just like when I did the deodorant earlier. Same types of stuff. You aren't going to add arrowroot or baking soda to it. So basically it's 2, 2, and 2 of everything. So it's 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. In the little like glass measuring cup, liquid measuring cup, down in the water to make like a little double boiler. And so you melt it, and then you pull that out, and then you add your oils. And I do about 20 drops of the oil that I want to flavor my lip balm with. So I really like the cocoa butter because I think it helps give it a smoother consistency, but it doesn't like melt when it's in my pocket as readily as, you know, without it. And it gives it's cocoa butter, so it smells a little bit like cocoa, right? So I like to mix that with peppermint, or my boys like orange. So nice. What are you doing? My husband is making faces, like his own duck face, like he's putting on lip balm because he's a weirdo. So, I mean, it's that simple. Like, once you pull it off the burner and add your oils, I do about 20 drops or so, depending on the flavor, you know, depending on the oil I'm trying to go for. Some of them are stronger than others, but 20 is a good number. And then you pour it into these. And some people will use like the little like disposable pipettes or something so they can get it pretty accurate, but with the glass Pyrex measuring cup, it has like that little lip for pouring, so that works fine for me. And then I have these nice little labels. You don't have to label them if you don't want, but I like to know what I'm grabbing because I'm not a big fan of the orange, so I want to make sure I'm getting the mint kind. So that's it. Super easy. So get your stuff, because Ashley, your kit is coming like in the next couple of weeks. It'll be there, and then you can get the lip balm, and you can get cocoa butter online, coconut oil, beeswax online. Super easy. Costs a few bucks. Like this whole big thing of coconut oil is like, I don't know, what was it, 20 bucks, something like that at Costco, 16, something like that, right? 16 to $20. You don't have to get this bigger one. It's just that we use it for everything, so I buy a big one. The cocoa butter and shea butter is only a few dollars. Beeswax only a few dollars. And it ends up being about like, I don't know, 10 cents a piece or something like that. Each recipe, the 2, 2, and 2 will make about 10 to 12 oils. And or 10 to 12 lip balms. So I just did 2 batches, so I have a whole bunch of cocoa mint and the choco orange. So yeah, super easy. When you get your kit, actually tell me. I want to see when you make it and like share it in here so we can see your cool design, your cool products. And yeah, everybody else that catches this later and wants to make it, like let me know. Certainly ask any questions you got, but it's super easy. It's like the first thing I ever made DIY, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. All right. So I will talk to you guys later. I'm going to go tuck my little one into bed. Good night.